what I got here is a aluminum sliding doors, but the panel over in the corner has all these marks in it, and we're just going to clean that area up so you can see what a difference it makes using this technique I'm going to use. And you can try other things, but this is the way I do it. It's not for everybody. So here we go. We're going to try to clean this sliding door up. Let's go at it. So here we are at the sliding door, and it's the panel behind the sliding door, and as you can see up in here, just starts here. A couple of spots there, but as we go in the corner, I mean, look at this here. Huh? That's really bad. And it's going all the way down through the bush there. It goes all the way down. It gets bad down the corner down there again a little. But it's mainly at the top of this bush where it's really bad. I'll just get back up there. There, look in the corner there. I'll lift the camera a bit, move it so you can see. There you go. See that there and there? It runs all the way up. So I'm going to show you how I clean this. So I've got to stand up in a chair for this. Now the rubber might be a difficult problem here because it's not coming off very easy. And you know, even scraping it, nothing much is happening. I get a little bit of the excess tops off, but then it kind of stops. It doesn't really do anything. So I don't know what we'll do about the rubber yet. We'll work on that in a minute. So I'm just going to get, obviously, I most likely have to get the Brillo pad, or what do they call it, the jet pad, and give it a wash. So here we go with the Brillo pad, or the jet pad they call it. Can you see that there? We'll just do a section so you can see it, and then I'll clean it on my own. You just got to keep going up and down and pressing. Now check a section first and make sure it doesn't shine too much. See, it's working great on this door. I've already did a little bit yesterday. I was testing it. So you guys have got to be careful and show you the right way. It's hard to do it this way with trying to show you guys with the video camera, so. As you can see, it is cleaning up. I'll just do quite a bit more and get back to you. Yeah, I very carefully scrape the rubber with the knife, just the pixelation parts, without touching the window. And then I took a bit of white spirit, which is paint thinner, and ran it down it and started rubbing it. I still got some little bubbles there, but I'm afraid to damage the rubber. But as you can see, as I rub it, the black comes off and it kind of covers them over a little. But it has cleaned it an awful lot better. I'll try a little bit more cleaning, see if I can get it even better than that. But we're getting there. So this is after about 20 minutes. For half an hour. Remember, we started here. I'm going from here back. I did a little bit extra. Up in the top crack, I'm still working on it, as you gather. And see, it's cleaning up nicely. Let's go in the corner. I'll zoom in so you can see. See, the top rail needs a bit more doing there. It's a bit hard to get at. And that corner up in here, I have to do a little bit more. But it's getting there, look. A lot of elbow grease. And then I got to do the bottom. Plenty of elbow grease for the job, but once it's done, man, you can clean that door in 5 minutes. So here it is, about after an hour and 15 or so. It doesn't matter how long it takes you. So nice and clean. Huh? That make a difference? You go up in the corner. See how nice and clean that is now? There we go. I had to use a screwdriver on some of the edges that were tucked in. I'll just show you where. Yeah, up in this edge up in here, there's a dip in there. I had to use a screwdriver to get some of them off, you know, and be careful, but I got the most of them off and picked the heads off of it and then brilloed it again. So there we go, it turned out very nice. So there you go, that's how you can clean your patio aluminum door, but check out that it doesn't polish too much or change the look of the door. So do a little test very lightly and then wipe it and then do it again and wipe it. I hope this helps you with your aluminum doors and cleaning them. So there we go. Keep on cleaning.